Good guy, Jerome.
That's a lot of bleeds
Fuck
on him.
this
Dude, he's
thing.
gonna die to bleeds.
Good!
Oh, yeah.
Good job, Matt.
I think you're gonna want to hurry, because... Yeah,
we wanna, like, get in
voided.
that portal.
Hurry for what? Hurry and do what? Hurry and do what?
The portal, the portal. The, like, rift that he went into. Oh, shit,
Oh.
I failed.
Oh.
I failed again. Oh my god!
Alan.
Oh my god!
Alan, you're gonna die.
Wait! Why? Dive again!
He has like 3 phases. Guys.
Fuck. Shit.
Matt, you're doing this on purpose. You have to.
No, not.
Oh my
We're
god.
throwing-
Oh, great, of course. Now there are more enemies.
Dude, I'm
Why am
actually
I-
about to
why
die.
am I
I'm actually
dying?
gonna die.
You're gonna-
Why am I dying?